बदले पर एक चीज जो नहीं बदली वो है घटिया घिनौने क्लाइंट्स। और इसी समस्या को जड़ से सुलझाने के लिए हमने आविष्कार किया है शक्ति का। गुड मॉर्निंग, माय नेम इज सृष्टि शर्मा एंड शक्ति इज इंडिया's first women safety smart wearable technology company, which is a safety product when in use and a fashion accessory when not. It has been designed with a very clear intention to build a practical and a portable solution to one of the biggest problems that still exists in our country, which is women's safety. Design pattern going further. Very quickly about the cost. So the initial cost of making the prototype was around 8,200, while now I'm happy to share that we've been reduced it to the estimated price of only 1,700 rupees. To the government, we are actively pitching at 1,200 rupees, and we can also raise CSR funds from different corporates to distribute it free of cost to the women who cannot afford it at a price. So hi everyone, I didn't introduce myself. My name is Srishti Sharma. I'm the founder and CEO at Shakti Wearables. I'm a serial entrepreneur, so it's been almost 8 to 9 years of building different startups. Shakti Wearables is the fourth startup that I have. In the past, I've raised funds, I've taken some acquisitions. So my basic area of expertise lies from taking an idea to giving successful exit to investors. That's what I do.
Shishti, fabulous.
Thank you, sir.
Fabulous. First of all, congratulations for taking up this issue and your passion, your commitment, what should I say, your involvement in the cause as well as giving it entrepreneurial bent of this is fabulous. I'm really impressed.
After the due diligence, everything will happen after due diligence. But there are two things that I want to do it for the prod because prod is invited. So if you can send me 2 samples, I can share it with Neeta Ambani.
Sure.
She works with a lot of, I personally know her, so that goes to her. Maybe she comes back and have more because that's one thing. And if you want to showcase this product at Delhi International Fashion Week on 24th of Feb, I am doing this in mega event. I guess this can go to stage and this will be a great marketing stunt. But in my opinion, if everything goes well, I will pitch around 2 crores.
But we were not having the stop over there. So this revolutionary idea we want to implement across Bangalore to start with, and parallelly we want to take it to pan-India because once we have a funding, sky is the limit because we are not looking at a traditional way of expanding.
Boycotting. As the brand name itself says, people think boycott is a negative word. No, it is actually a positive word. People boycott when there is something wrong in the society or the brands. So that is how we want to boycott the traditional way of fashion brands working with the multiplier concept. When the product cost is, just to give you an example, 500 rupees, the brands multiply that with 5 to 6 times to make 2,500 or 3,000 rupees as MRP. We are in the industry from past 4 years and the journey has been a roller coaster. We have tried our offlines, D2C, marketplaces we are still onboarding, and then we found out these are the major problems in the industry. And these are a couple of our methods. As the brand is built for the Gen Z, of course we'll be having bold prints, oversized t-shirts and loose fit pants, the relaxed fit pants. The couple of samples are here, you can take a look. If somebody wants to take a look, I can just come and drop you also.
Guys, what you see is an MRP. Again, we are not saying a multiplier concept. We are just kept around 50 to 55% of margin, which we sell it on 55% margin. 55% margin.
Cool, very nice.
We sell.
We just did it because entire company is funded and everything was done by me. So we need 2 partners for private limited company. Firstly has been good supportive for us till now.
Sir, I am just giving you one offer.
Yes, sir.
For 15% equity, along with one store in New Delhi, private position, which you can call as a black store. And
I'm really happy to get an offer, sir, because as you can see, with 5 years down the line, I'm planning to make a 1,800 crore business. So at this point of time, I may not be able to take this offer because of sharing out 50% of the company. I'll be left with only 50%. I can't rise every year and take the company to that level.
basically the fair deal, what I have just offered you.
No, I'm really thankful and happy that I got an offer here. Okay.
आखिर वो बाइक करे तो करे कहाँ से, तो इसलिए हमने खुद का जेमस्टोन सेलिंग स्टार्ट किया विद द नेम जेम ऋषि। सो जेम ऋषि एक ऐसी कंपनी है जो कि जेमस्टोन बिजनेस को पूरी तरह से रिवर्सलाइज करने वाली है। मतलब कि हमारे पास जितने भी सेलर्स हैं, वेंडर्स हैं जिनसे हम जेमस्टोन ले रहे हैं, हम उन्हें लैब टेस्टिंग थ्रू द 3 labs JGPC, GTI and IGI. These are the 3 labs which is certified by the government. हम उन लैब से सर्टिफिकेशन लेने के बाद ही हम अपने कस्टमर्स को वो सेल करते हैं। एंड अगेन देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम, क्या हम जिस एस्ट्रोलॉजर से अपना प्रॉब्लम बता रहे हैं क्या उनके पास उसकी सॉल्यूशन है, या फिर वो प्रोफेशनल क्या उस चीज के लिए सर्टिफाइड है कि वो हमें जो सॉल्यूशन बता रहे हैं उसे यूज करें तो हमारी प्रॉब्लम क्योर हो जाए। देयर इज अनदर क्वेश्चन फॉर मी। सो इन जेम ऋषि हमारे पास ऐसे एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स हैं जो कि सर्टिफाइड है, प्रोफेशनल है फ्रॉम द फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज, जो कि ऑलरेडी काफी बड़े स्केल पे काम कर चुके हैं। वो हमारे साथ मिलकर हमारे क्लाइंट्स को रिकमेंडेशन देते हैं एंड देन हम उसे जेमस्टोन सेल करते हैं। सर्टिफिकेशन
How many number of people subscribe to your channel?
around 50K right now. We have the views of around
All
50
organic?
lakh.
All organic?
Yeah, exactly. All organic. Our views is 50 lakh, and you can say comment. And we have the data that our customers are every day mailing us.
So, if I talk about on the monthly basis, how much you're earning from this business?
See, from the YouTube, we are earning yearly around 12 lakh.
गारंटी देता हूँ, you'll go a long way in life. अब बहुत कुछ अचीव करने वालों, बस सही रास्ता पकड़ते रहो तो बहुत कुछ अचीव करोगे।
I and Neeraj had a discussion. We also want to invest something, but as a person, वो कैसे दूसरा कोई found because he had a considerable amount of stake into your business. So please explain that. That was a misleading statement कि आप 3 लाख की सैलरी ले रहे हो क्योंकि वो इनिशियली इस वेंचर से नहीं जा रही है। Another thing that I do personally think is कि अभी वो 12 लाख इन्वेस्ट करना ज़्यादा बेटर है। तो अगर हम ये चीज़ें कर रहे हैं, अगर मैं इस बिजनेस के लिए थोड़ा एफर्ट डालता हूँ तो आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट एंड आई वुड टेक अ कमिटमेंट फ्रॉम यू कि अभी जो वो पैसा आएगा पहले वो इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, ठीक है। अगर ये चीज़ें आपको अग्रीएबल है तो लेट्स हैव अ कनेक्ट एंड एस्ट्रोटॉक से या ऐसे किसी और ऐप से बात करते हैं, एक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल पहले इस्टेब्लिश करते हैं, सेल्स देखते हैं कहाँ से आएगी, चीज़ें इस्टेब्लिश करने के बाद अगर लगेगा कि पैसा इन्वेस्ट करना है तो करेंगे। आई वुड टेक अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 10% इक्विटी इन दिस, तो इससे कम में अगर आपको एक्सेप्टेबल है दैट इज वेरी गुड।
This is Anurag Srivastava. I am founder and CEO of Urja Sathi. This is a dedicated e-commerce portal and app. And this is Mr. Gaurav Gupta. He is the co-founder and he is the managing director of Clean Energy Private Limited.
Basically, I am Panasonic's distributor for solar modules. And I am also distributor for Covio Betterment. It's a German company which gives components which are used in solar plants. We've been installing quality products for last 15 years. So that's understanding the market. We have come up with this, and we believe there is something which is missing in the solar market, which is true solar. When as a customer you go for any kind of solar plant, people give you a range of options. It's not only the price which is a range, they also give you technically a difference. They will tell you that you can install 3, hypothetically speaking, if 5 kilowatts was the right size to be put on your roof, the quotations will start from 3 kilowatts all the way up to 10 kilowatts. People who are selling above 5 kilowatts are looking towards maximum amount of money that they can extract from it.
Why you have shared this 90 and 10%? कोई specific इसका कोई reason है?
Sir, basically like start मैंने किया था, ठीक है, फिर सर से बात हुई तो सर has shown interest, फिर मतलब सर ने बोला कि मेरा ऑलरेडी चल रहा है and you are starting, so major stake तुम रखो, मेरे पास 10% काफी है।
ये अभी जो आपने 25 lakhs for 5% इक्विटी,
जी,
ये किस बेसिस के ऊपर आपने बेसिकली कैलकुलेशन करी है?
These are my point to you. These are my question to you. Mr. Aditya would also like to add something from his side.
Yeah, so you kindly share the details with us. Our group is interested, keen to get attached with you guys.
Right.
Of course, after due diligence.
Sure.
Thank you.
अभी कंपनी बिल्कुल इनिशियल स्टेज पे है।
Yes sir.
मैं आपको अपनी तरफ से एक ऑफर दे देता हूँ।
जी।
मैं आपको 12.5 lakhs दे सकता हूँ 5%। ये आप सोच के बता देना।
मेरा नाम गौरव मिश्रा है और मैं राजकोट गुजरात से बिलोंग करता हूँ और मैं को-फाउंडर एंड CEO हूँ 360 एग्जाम्स का। 360 एग्जाम्स एक क्लाउड बेस्ड एडटेक स्टार्टअप है और ये 360 की कोर टीम है। माई सेल्फ गौरव मिश्रा, मैं फाउंडर एंड CEO हूँ। साथ में मेरा 12 साल का प्रोफेशनल सर्विसेज का एक्सपीरियंस है। मेरे को-फाउंडर है कैलाश टोडिया। जो कि 13 साल से एजुकेशन सेक्टर में वर्क कर रहा है और उसका 13 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है। साथ में हार्दिक रावड़िया जो कि 13 साल से एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्रीज के साथ साथ आईटी सेक्टर में भी जुड़े हुए हैं। 360 दो तरीके के प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करता है, एक तो है 360 एग्जाम्स, दूसरा है 360 EMS। दो प्लेटफॉर्म है, सभी स्कूलों में बच्चों के एग्जाम्स काफ़ी लिए जाते हैं, वो चाहे यूनिट टेस्ट हो, वीकली टेस्ट हो, मंथली टेस्ट हो, हाफ ईयरली टेस्ट हो, मतलब बच्चे के एवरीडे कुछ ना कुछ टेस्ट तो आने ही वाले हैं। तो उसके लिए टीचर्स को काफ़ी टाइम स्पेंड करना पड़ता है एग्जाम पेपर डिजाइन करने में, क्वेश्चन बनाने में और पूरे का पूरा पेपर रेडी करने के लिए। हमारा विजन ये है कि अगले 7 साल में हम मेजर स्टेट बोर्ड को कवर कर लें और इंडिया का लार्जेस्ट क्वेश्चन बैंक हम टारगेट कर रहे हैं।
हाउ विल यू कम्पीट विद देम? क्या क्रेडिबिलिटी लेके आओगे? कैसे उनसे कम्पीट कर सकते हो कि जी हमारा ज़्यादा बेटर है रादर देन योर्स?
सर मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताऊं ना, तो हमने जो ये डेटा निकाला है पूरे का पूरा गवर्नमेंट ने जो बुक पब्लिश की है ना उसी के ऊपर से निकाला है, ठीक है। तो उसमें से एरर का या फिर रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन का तो बात नहीं आएगा। और एजुकेशनल इंडस्ट्री है तो हमने वो बहुत ही बारीकी से देखा है। एक बार कोई टीचर क्वेश्चन डिजाइन करता है तो उसके बाद एक बंदा चेक करता है कि इसमें कोई गलती या कोई एरर नहीं है ना, उसके बाद जो दूसरा बंदा है वो प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर डालता है।
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Puneet Noah. I'm the founder and CEO of Pivot Techno Sports in this country with the help of technology. And that's why I've reached out to this panel. I'm trying to raise funds of around 96 lakhs. Is what I'm looking at for a stake of 4%. So if you look at it, tennis ball cricket in this country has a much larger following than what leather ball cricket is. One, because the entry barrier is very less. It's very cost effective. If you buy a leather cricket kit, it comes, a good one comes around 20,000-25,000. But tennis ball cricket, you can even start playing with 1,000 rupees. You can buy a bat and you can just start playing. So the entry barriers are very low. So I was doing recreational sports. Now my main objective out here, what we plan to do is create a platform where all these tennis cricketers can upload their data onto our platform. The data's algorithm in such a way will keep measure their performances and rank them, and they also get an opportunity to monetize their skills based on their rankings over a period of time. So this is a very interesting figure. So the TAN, SAM and SOM that I'm referring to right here, this is only related to India.
How much money for the league, the biggest, the most glamorous league you can imagine?
8 crores.
8 crores.
Right. So maybe we can connect like
100%.
offline. Okay. So you can resolve all my queries. And
Certainly.
We can get more discussions.
Sure.
Before giving any comment. So let's connect offline.
Definitely. So
Co-founder and CEO of Bihar Cash. So I'm asking for 10 crores. So where 7% for our fixed assets, because we have to set up some CC centers, collection centers, and vehicles and all. And 18% for marketing, 32% for salaries, and 31% for our working capital, and 12% for admin, because even I have to do some app development and all, for technical and everything. So I need some more money. So this is the total 10 crores what we are going to spend.
Metric tons and both in terms of revenue.
So revenue, we have increased. So in the last month, it's also it's a 1.2 crore turnover we did as a revenue. 1.2 crore.
And how much in metric tons?
It's around 90 tons.
90 tons.
Yes.
This is.
Yes.
Capital 32% salaries.
Yes.
Liquidity है company में.
Yes, sir. Because we already spent almost 2 crore. And we set up with around 70 lakh rupees one.
मैं भी वही कह रहा हूँ कि 2 करोड़ तो जेब से लगा चुके हैं. You have spent 2 crore rupees from the jail, which is a heavy amount for 1 year.
Yes.
Right? But आगे 6 महीने sustain करने का funds है?
Yes, sir.
My last question: how much for the whole company?
Pardon?
How much for the whole company, and you work as a CEO for 3 years
Yes.
under a contract?
No, sir, because it has a tremendous. So it's a tough question actually. It's a
Let's do this. Let's sit around 15th or 20th of April. We'll have a conversation because we're looking for something like similar to this rather than.
So we set up a facility center for Zepto as well. So we are supplying the meat also to them. So there is a huge because
There is another segment that we are opening up, so you'll be excited. So, but if I want to get it, I need the whole company.
Of utique.com. Utique is an e-commerce website wherein we want to specialize into Indian handicrafts. So in this world of increasingly mass-produced products, Utique wants to specialize into exquisite handicrafts which are handcrafted by Indian artisans. These are highly skilled artisans who are carrying on the legacy of tradition and our Indian culture. So these are not only limited to these products, but Indian handicraft expands to around 156 categories. These are some of the high-rolling categories of Indian handicrafts like woodware, embroidered and crochet goods, artware, metalware, hand-painted textiles and imitation jewelry. So our mission lies at empowering the Indian artisans and fostering a global community for the Indian artisans.
Allocate that funds.
So the first thing is we need to enroll more and more artisans. Like if you look at the statistics state-wise, even if we successfully enroll 1 lakh artisans, and if every artisan can bring in at least 10 products onto our website. So this needs a lot of cloud space. First thing is that. Second thing is marketing these many handicrafts, not only offline like 60,000, 70,000 generated. So
Almost negligible. And how big is your team?
So right now only developers I am working with. So
they are in-house or third party?
all are freelancers.
Freelance. And who is the CTO of the company? You are the only. Thank you.
ऐसे नहीं भैया इंडिया घूम के आओ जनरल ट्रेन का टिकट खरीदो और अगले 365 दिन इंडिया घूम के आओ तब दिखाई देंगे आर्टिस्ट एंड 50% थोड़ा ज़्यादा आर्टिस्ट मिल जाएगा ध्यान से थोड़ा देख लो ओके अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट है 2-3 साल लगाओगे तो ये बहुत आगे जाएगा
ये पैनल कंपनी रिपेयर सर्विसेज एलएलपी ये होम अप्लायंसेस सर्विसेज का इसके अंदर पूरे सर्विसेज एक्टिव रहेंगे फिलहाल हमारा एलईडी एलसीडी टीवी इतना ही हम सर्विस देते हैं फिलहाल आगे का फ्यूचर का प्लान ये है इस तरीके से हम पूरा सर्विस देंगे मोबाइल लैपटॉप हर एक का आइटम हमने इसमें फ्रेंचाइजी मॉडल भी बनाया हुआ है एक 10,000 स्क्वायर फीट के अंदर एक सर्विस मॉल रहेगा बड़ा और बाकी हर एक एरिया के हर पिन कोड के हिसाब से सर्विस सेंटर रहेंगे हमारे पूरे फुल हाईवे में फिलहाल महाराष्ट्र का बनाया हुआ है महाराष्ट्र का प्लान बताऊंगा इसे हम हर एक स्टेट के लिए रहेगा
Murli Iyer here. Murli Iyer here. I am helping him for the marketing and sales and getting into franchising model of the appliances. I am also manufacturing home appliances there. So these are all food products which we used to supply initially because of the appliances industry.
हमने इसलिए बाद में 2018 में हमने किया है यूए पैनल रिपेयर सर्विसेज एलएलपी दोनों कंपनी ज्वाइन करी क्योंकि मेरे पास
लोगों के घर तक पहुंचना समझाना कौन है वो बहुत बड़ा खर्चा है बहुत बड़ा खर्चा है पहले आपने जस्ट डायल से फायदा उठाया मुझे पता है सर्विसेज इंडस्ट्री के जितने भी लोग हैं जस्ट डायल में बैठे बैठे लीड आता था चुपचाप बैठ के काम कमाते थे
200-300% मार्जिन कमा लेते हैं
मुझे पता है आप लोगों ने काफी कमाया कि नहीं
बता रहा हूँ अभी इसलिए यहाँ तक आया हमने 17,000 रुपये से बजने चालू किया था
तो जस्ट डायल की वजह से यहाँ तक आए हो
जजदार है पर ऐसे
मुझे पता है बिकॉज मैं जानता हूँ बड़े बड़े सर्विस सेंटर जो चलते थे जजदार के लीड से चलते थे
Good morning, I am Swarm Malik and my starting name is Samosa Kingdom. So basically like how we started on this journey is basically we started in during the peak COVID lockdown period in the March 2020. And that time we started with the cloud kitchen model and we were basically into North Indian cuisine and what we felt at that point of time was that we were getting maximum orders during the peak lunch and dinner timings. So to optimize our kitchen, our staff, our efficiency, we thought of introducing some snacks brand so that we can have more number of volumes of order during the morning breakfast time as well as during the evening snacks time. So I am Saurabh. So like I have been into like by educational background, I am a computer engineer, and then after working for a few years in software development domain with companies like Oracle and Infosys, like in year 2012, I entered into the F&B domain, and then like my startup, previous startup was by the name of Medal Sweets. So where there we were dealing into Indian sweets, snacks and namkeens.
अगर मैं ऑलरेडी लोकल मार्केट्स की बात करूँ, अगर 8 to 10 रुपीस में मुझे एक समोसा मिल रहा है, why customer will pay 21 to 23 rupees?
So basically for the hygiene, for my quality and my taste of product.
Okay. Just for because of this, you want to spend there?
Only
the reason on the basis of you are telling me you want to reach out to Ayodhya.
Fair enough. Good luck to you. I think there's a veteran sitting here in the food industry. I think he's the right man to ask questions.
Hello. I'm surprised for 75 lakh rupees. What you are going to achieve out of it? That is how anybody starts.
Correct.
Samosa kadai mein bhi bikta hai aaj ke din corner pe.
Yes.
Samosa is not a new thing in the market. Kindly draw your plan, put it on the board.
Correct.
To have some expert on this, and then take it slowly, right?
Definitely.
And any help you require, we are there to help you out.
Sure. Thank you.
I would like to call upon the stage Pro CEOs, Mr. Ayush Sharma and Mr. Neeraj Kumar Pawar. A huge round of applause जिनकी वजह से आज हम सभी को अपना कुछ सीखने को मिला, and we really got a lot. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for being here. I really appreciate for your time and patience, and special thanks to Mr. Suresh Goyal. हमारे बीच veteran जो यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, he is a big investor as well as the kind of information that we were gathering from him with his experience. That was a lot to us, and in fact, would like to thank the other investors as well, who are into the startup ecosystem and helping the startups in funding as well as in mentoring these startups. Right, so I have a co-founder, Ayush Sharma as well. Would you like to say something?
We have updated our links with all the banks, the NBFCs. There are so many investors that have joined us. Due to this particular show, now we are becoming a company that can typically fulfill the opportunities or the requirements of all Indian entrepreneurs or all Indian households. Typically, we will be doing each and every kind of debt, whether it be the house finances, whether it be any kind of personal loans, business loans, or any kind of equity fundings, mergers and acquisitions. Typically, we will be doing a considerable role on an entrepreneur's journey to make the venture flourish and to take them to success. Hands up for this particular evening.
तीन दिन के अंदर ब्रांड बनाने की इस चीज़ की गारंटी लेते हैं. You don't have to worry about it. You have a product, you can make the brand. We give you this guarantee. Thank you.